A faster, scalable, more decentralized, more energy version of Ethereum could be, that simple response. But I think it's a lot more than that.
Oh, there's one more thing, sir.
So Avalanche, we have, two big main innovations. One is the Avalanche consensus protocol.
What the hell is even that?
Which enables this very high throughput, very low latency, very low confirmation times, high levels of scalability in terms of the network. So we can scale to thousands of nodes. And then also, the energy efficiency piece, I think is really important to people these days. And, last we did a survey on how much it costs to run the Avalanche network. It came out to be about 46 American households.
Really?